this video, I'm going to share with you the top 10 foods that will help you burn fat and elevate your fitness journey, enabling you to lead a healthier and more fulfilling life. Many of us are looking to shed some belly fat or just trim down overall. While exercise is a crucial component of fat loss, what you eat plays an equally important role. It's worth noting that you don't necessarily have to go on a strict diet to lose fat and weight. The most effective and safest way to do this is by incorporating more whole, unprocessed foods into your daily eating habits. Choosing the right foods can help reduce hunger, increase your metabolism, and most importantly, aid in fat burning. Do eggs really help with fat loss? And what about chili peppers? Are they as beneficial as some say? Stick around until the very end, and I'll reveal my top food pick for burning fat. Number 1 on the list is Greek yogurt. Not only is it a tasty treat, but full-fat Greek yogurt is also backed by science for its role in the fat-burning process. It contains conjugated linoleic acid, CLA, which helps with fat burning. Greek yogurt is rich in nutrients like vitamin D and amino acids, which research has shown to speed up the fat-burning process. Another key feature is its probiotics content, which fosters healthy gut bacteria, crucial for any weight loss effort. This is particularly important for overweight individuals, as they often have an imbalance in gut bacteria, making fat loss more challenging. Moreover, Greek yogurt is packed with various proteins, including casein and whey, boasting twice the amount found in regular yogurt. The high-quality protein in yogurt is beneficial for weight loss, helping control appetite, reduce hunger, and cut down on overall food intake. Protein also has a higher calorie burning rate during digestion compared to carbs. When picking your yogurt, opt for the plain variety and avoid flavored or sweetened low-fat ones, as they usually contain added sugars and additives. Greek yogurt stands out as a superior choice for those looking to lose fat. But if you're looking for a more affordable option, our second food choice is eggs. Eggs are packed with high-quality protein, which can increase your metabolic rate by about 20% to 35% for hours after you eat them. This nutrient is also crucial for building and maintaining muscle mass, and having more muscle means your body burns more calories at rest. Each egg contains around 7 grams of protein, alongside essential fats and vitamins. The fat and protein in eggs help keep you feeling full for longer, because your body takes time to break these macronutrients down. Despite eggs being high in cholesterol, research has consistently shown that eating eggs does not lead to high cholesterol levels in the body. It's saturated fat, rather than dietary cholesterol, that's more concerning for heart health. With this in mind, including 3 eggs in your meals several times a week can help with fat burning and keep you satisfied. For the best nutritional benefits, choose certified organic pastured eggs over conventional ones, ideally from a local farmer. Number 3 on our list is nuts. These tasty, convenient snacks are a powerhouse of magnesium and healthy fats, especially almonds. Almonds in particular are a fantastic choice for those aiming to lose weight and burn fat. A study involving overweight individuals found that those who included almonds in their low-calorie diet shed 50% more total fat and about 18% of their body weight, compared to an 11% weight loss in the control group. Besides being a good source of healthy fats, nuts are also rich in protein, which means your body expends more energy digesting them. This can help boost your metabolism and increase the number of calories you burn. While nuts are incredibly nutritious and filled with mostly healthy fats, it's important to consume them in moderation to fully benefit from their properties. Coming up, we'll discuss chili peppers and their role in fat burning. Number 4 on our list is apple cider vinegar, ACV, a substance steeped in history and hailed for its health benefits. ACV is widely recognized for its ability to decrease appetite, as well as lower blood sugar and insulin levels in people with diabetes. The key ingredient, acetic acid, has been shown through several animal studies to boost fat burning and reduce the storage of belly fat. Human research is limited but promising. One study involving 144 obese men found that consuming 2 tablespoons of vinegar daily for 12 weeks led to a loss of 3.7 pounds and a 0.9% decrease in body fat. Beyond fat loss, ACV can also curb sugar cravings thanks to its acetic acid, act as a natural detox, and balance the stomach's pH levels. Given its high acidity, it's important to dilute ACV in water before consuming. Start with 1 teaspoon in a glass of water, eventually increasing to 2 tablespoons per day. Next up, if you're interested in a spice that supports fat loss, keep an eye out for number 5, cinnamon. Cinnamon is packed with an essential oil known as cinnamaldehyde, which plays a role in burning fat. It works similarly to capsaicin found in chili peppers by triggering thermogenesis, a process where the body generates heat, creating an ideal scenario for calorie burning. Beyond its ability to stimulate thermogenesis, cinnamon offers other fat-burning advantages. It's particularly effective in regulating blood sugar levels, which in turn can prevent the body from storing excess fat. When blood sugar levels are high, insulin works overtime to clear glucose from the bloodstream, often storing it in fat cells. By helping to balance these levels, cinnamon reduces the likelihood of this fat storage mechanism kicking in. So, don't hesitate to add a sprinkle of cinnamon to your coffee, smoothie, oatmeal, or yogurt to enjoy these benefits. Number 6 is salmon and other oily fish. Completely cutting fats from your diet isn't the best approach to losing fat. It's not just ineffective, it's unhealthy. Instead, focus on consuming the right types of fats. Steer clear of saturated fats and opt for polyunsaturated ones, like those found in salmon or your other favorite oily fish. Omega-3 fatty acids, abundant in salmon, help reduce inflammation and encourage fat burning. Moreover, salmon is loaded with high-quality protein, which aids in weight and fat loss because the body expends more energy digesting protein. You'll also benefit from a good dose of vitamin D, B vitamins, potassium, phosphorus, selenium, and other nutrients when eating salmon. These play a role in enhancing brain function and mood, supporting the immune system, and promoting bone health. Selenium is particularly vital for maintaining a healthy thyroid, which is crucial for a well-functioning metabolism. Other oily fish like sardines, tuna, mackerel, and halibut are excellent choices as well. Besides aiding in fat loss, salmon can also help improve your focus and productivity. Stay tuned to discover more beneficial foods. Number 7 on our list is chili peppers, which are celebrated not just for their heat, but also for their role in weight and fat loss. The key component in hot peppers is capsaicin, a flavorless chemical that introduces the fiery sensation to foods. Capsaicin is known to suppress appetite and slightly increase metabolism, though the effect lasts only for a short duration. However, due to the thermogenic properties of chili peppers, consuming them can lead to burning an additional 50 calories per day. Thermogenesis increases body temperature, leading to higher calorie expenditure simply from the body working to stay warm. Moreover, chili peppers can enhance feelings of fullness and help prevent overeating. If the idea of eating whole chili peppers is too much, try sprinkling powdered cayenne pepper onto your dishes a few times a week. If spicy foods aren't to your taste, you might find the next item more appealing: whole grains. Incorporating a variety of whole grains into your diet can significantly aid in fat loss. Consider adding oats, quinoa, brown rice, and bulgur wheat to your meals. The reason behind this is that whole grains are packed with fiber, which takes up a lot of space in your stomach and absorbs water, making you feel full despite being low in calories. This not only helps with feeling satisfied, but also supports healthy bowel functions by preventing constipation and reducing bloating. Research has shown that individuals who include whole grains in their diet lose more body fat compared to those who consume refined grains. Specifically, they noticed a more significant reduction in belly fat. Oats are an outstanding source of plant-based protein, offering over 8 grams per 2/3 cup of dry oats. For the most benefits, opt for unsweetened rolled oats, oat bran, or steel-cut oats. You can add various toppings like nuts, seeds, vanilla, and cocoa to make your oatmeal tastier. My personal favorite toppings include dark chocolate chips, almonds, and chia seeds, which not only enhance the flavor, but are also highly nutritious. What are your favorite oatmeal toppings? Share your preferences in the comments below. Number 9 on our list is broccoli, along with other cruciferous vegetables like cauliflower and Brussels sprouts, all of which are excellent for fat burning due to their high fiber content. Broccoli, in particular, is rich in calcium, a mineral that's not only beneficial for your joints, but also aids in weight loss. Research has shown that calcium can influence the way fat is processed and stored in the body, with a higher calcium content in fat cells, leading to increased fat burning. Furthermore, scientists have identified a compound in broccoli called sulforaphane, which plays a significant role in combating fat gain. This compound not only accelerates metabolism, but also helps alleviate bloating after eating salty foods. Steaming broccoli is considered the best method to unlock its fat-burning benefits, as this cooking method allows the body to absorb its nutrients more effectively. Plus, cruciferous vegetables are incredibly low in calories, making them a guilt-free option to fill up on. Rounding out our list at number 10 are the small but powerful chia seeds. Chia seeds pack a punch primarily due to their high protein and fiber content. The fiber in chia seeds not only promotes fullness, reducing the likelihood of overeating, but these seeds also expand in water. When consumed unsoaked, they swell in the stomach, occupy more space, and naturally suppress appetite. Their rich protein content is another plus, boosting energy levels and endurance, which can enhance your workout performance and aid in muscle building. More muscle mass means a higher metabolic rate, leading to increased calorie burn. If you're looking for similar benefits, flax and hemp seeds are excellent alternatives as well. For everyone who stayed with me till the end, here's the special reveal about my favorite fat loss food, blueberries. Who can resist blueberries? They're not only delicious but also a healthy option for those sweet cravings, offering far fewer calories than desserts like brownies and cookies. Blueberries are loaded with water and fiber, which means they help you stay full for longer. But the real kicker is their fat-burning ability, particularly when it comes to belly fat. Research, including animal studies, has shown that diets rich in blueberries can lead to significant abdominal fat loss. Maintaining a healthy body is definitely a step in the right direction. However, imagine complementing that physical health with enhanced productivity and concentration. Thank you for watching.